Hello guys! Kumusta na kayong lahat? I hope everyone's doing fine. So, ito na naman tayo, pahirapan ng pagvo-voice over. Kaya ang tagal kong mag-upload kasi hindi naman ako mag-voice over. Anyway, sayang naman kung matatambak lang tong videos ko, right? So, by the way, it's a continuation of my video recently, or my post recently, which we went to Filipino store. So after that, that Filipino store is in Dallas, and this one is in Frisco. If I'm not mistaken, it's like Frisco Allen. Basta it's like 10 to 15 minutes from Dallas. So ayan po, IKEA. So this is my first time going to IKEA. So, kahit sa Pinas hindi ako nakapunta kasi I never dare to go there. Kasi wala naman akong pambili, okay? By the way, ito nakakatawa. So, while we are walking, I've seen these flags, and then tinanong ako ng asawa ko, what are those flags? So, one of those flag is the Texan flag, and then yung US flag. Tapos may isa dyan, yung parang blue na may yellow. And he asked me, do you know what flag is that? And then sabi ko pa naman, very confident, I know, IKEA flag. Ha! Ang bobo ko. No, it's not. It's Sweden. Because again, if I'm not mistaken, IKEA is Swedish ba ang may-ari nito? Basta yung flag is Sweden, okay? So ayan na, he volunteered to take a video of me. So, nang saglit. And then, ako na ang nagmaniobra. And this is the entrance ng sa taas. And it is, wow. So, ang ganda pala talaga dito.
Everything is for sale.
I was really like,
Everything
mesmerized. Kasi po,
oh my God,
sabi ng asawa ko, lahat nga na nakikita ko is binibenta. See? Which is hindi naman totoo. Because the floors are not for sale. Haha. Joke yun. Anyway, so, the thing is, I like going here. Love ko na siya, actually.
So that closet is
since it's my first time. Kasi, it's giving you an idea. Kahit hindi ka interior designer or whatsoever.
okay.
It's giving you an idea kung paano mo gustong look yung bahay mo. Yung, especially yan, kama, and then the surroundings and everything. So, marami talaga. Right? So, I will be showing you yung mga kaya ko lang ipakita. But, yeah, this is a long video pero putol-putol siya. But, I hope you enjoy it. Papakita ko lang yung mga nakaya ko lang videohan kasi medyo nakakailang pa din naman na may nagvi-video ka tapos may tumitingin, diba? So, and then, ayoko din na ano sila sa camera because America, napaka-ano nila sa privacy and like that. So,
Just to eat, yeah.
medyo nag-iingat din tayo. So, wala na akong masabi. But yeah, so, since we are, ang bahay namin is
The table which is
i-renovate pa. Under renovation pa rin. So, kumuha kami ng idea what's good for the house, ano yung gusto naming look, and
then
yeah, if you can see, wala naman ako masyadong video, but our house is some kind of rustic, may woody, like our ceiling is so, in the future, yun din yung gusto ko. Yung parang magma-match pa rin. So yeah, we're checking on the counters, and for sofa, wala pa akong naisip, but yeah, so we're focused on dating na namin yung counter, yung dining, like that. And especially the kitchen and the bathroom. Kasi yun talaga yung gusto ko na mauna. Okay? And, ano pa bang sasabihin ko? Anyway, just enjoy the video for now. Okay. This is nice, but so girly.
Yeah, even like that baby. This one. I like having like this,
Yeah,
just
see,
this.
I'd rather have one like this. It's in the
Yeah, that's what
counter.
I'm trying to say. And then where I can cook and then see the living room, the TV, something like that. You're my model.
Well, the oven and everything will probably be on the other side. It would be on the other side.
Oh yeah, I guess it's.
It goes on the back side. Where you can see out into the living room and everything will be the sink.
A lot of ideas. I like.
Wow. But the kitchen, it's like you have this right, but I like the flat one.
That kitchen with this countertop. Well, see this thing right here, honestly, this old fan would be perfect.
So big. So the desks are expensive.
Just that one. This one's electric. The whole thing races and moves. That's what those buttons are.
But it's so big.
That's what those buttons are for. That's made just to play games.
Okay.
So nakalimot di ay ko the real reason nga naamig IKEA is to check or mutanaw for Ishi's desk. Kay gusto siya magka-desk sa iyang room mismo. And we're looking for something tama lang sa iyang room and kanang di ra pud kay mahal, di ba? So be practical. Sa man ang mahal kaayo mo ra manggihapon gamita. And but in the end, wala mi ka decide kay we need her approval and she's so tamad na muban sa moa. So we just took a picture of those desks nga among nakitaan, which is kaya lang, and then pag maka-decide na siya and if it's still available, we will buy it na lang pag mabalik mo. And so nanaog na mi diri di ay na daghan sila yung sale. So as a feeling chef ko, nakapalit pud kog mga sandok basta mga panggamit sa kusina. I don't know, maybe it's adulting or something. I'm matured unsa pa di ka sa pang matured tigulang na ta. I'm 37, turning 37 by that time because again it's a week before my birthday. Anyway, so ayan, since nag-sale kaayon, like na ako kay nag-sale pud sila pag add ko namo. So nawa na akong mga sandok, mga kung sa paniha nga pwede sa kanang kusina. So ang ending, ang desk mo napalit, pero ang pangkusina or anything nga para sa ako para sa amo which is ako ang super lipay kaayo. Ako na nun ang nag-shop. So ayan, and you know, ambot karon bitaw. Again, it's really adulting na good siguro, no? And being a soon-to-be wife. Anyway, so, kay malipay naman kong mga gamit sa kusina, gamit sa balay. My God, I'm really old. Charing. So, ayan. Kay naaman siya, mura siyag maze sa sulod. Naagid kay ka ng sundan nga direction kung sa sunod. So, those are the paintings. Gaganahan kaya akong bana, pero wala siya nipalit. Hehe. So, more on ako ang nipalit. And, pahuway time.
So, kapos sigla ka lang. Just rest. Kaya masakit ang benang kaubang. What's that? Self-service furniture.
aisle 20, bin 1. So we have to just go over there and grab it.
Okay.
Get it yourself.
So,
You just need to
natiging
find
ko pero
aisle 20. Which one's aisle 20?
ikapoy good.
Okay, let's go so we can get this over with. So we can get home.
Okay. Bye. We're going to check out?
We gotta get your thing for it.
Okay. Where do you think it is?
Aisle 20, bin 1.
Kabalo diw, kabalo ano yun. Yung post. Ako kasabot siya.
Look, see on your tag. Send a
Oh.
picture of it on the tag. Aisle 20, bin 1. That's where it's at.
And
And
then
that's the number of it. So
it's
make sure
aisle
you
1.
get
So we're
that. Yeah.
20 is there, baby. Mali ba? Patakarak ko. Ako sabuti nga to day. Naday nakabutang. Ujud ko, picture ako. Naday nakabutang ko. Asa siya ng aisle. And then kuani mo siya dito. Magka-bright na ako. Ay. Partner gid ay tag bright. Sige nung kay para. Tamless ko na kinabuhi. This is the aisle 20. Okay. Hang on. What am I gonna do without you?
Alright, let's go.
I don't know that's the meaning of that. I have to get it for myself. Ito ko malubat. Nga to na dito. I don't know. Bantog ra. Kao na din mo. Haha. Okay. Okay. So, mag-check out na me and then, di na. Kaya naman yung sakit. Sakit na kayang laos na. Perado ba yan eh? Perahan na sad. September 5. So, we're going to check out and then hanapay tayo mga tuition store. 5% na lang po. So, babosh. Bye. Okay, so we're done. Uy, gabi ka init. Inuot ko. Ala, impirno ni. So, ayun. Story time. Tanga kay ko. Balik ko. Pero hindi ako mag-story. Kasi karon na lang. Nagulatan ko. Mali di ang nakuha. Ang nami stove nga. Ikuha gamay. Aesthetic lagi. Kasi siya lagi magluto-lutog sira. Pwede na dito. Pwede na mo. Oh, hindi ko kayong sample man.
Still work?
Yeah. Dapat ka doon nasa box. How long did I feel like I'm the most stupid person today.
No, it wasn't the brightest thing that you've done.
Oh my God. Grabe ka bulok. Naka 20 minutes libot-libot. 20 minutes, 30 minutes libot-libot. Pangita. Amaw. Nakasagang IKEA. Kabulok. Sa moto shop. Are we still going to the Asian store?
Yes.
Kapoy na na siya. Sakit na yung ano.
I'm not going in. You can go in. I'll just give you my card. I'm not going.
Okay. Ano isa, pero wala naman. So, yeah. Tinuod siya di ay nga partner ito sa Ginoo. Sakto nga tao ba? Hindi ako nabulok. May na lang niya isa. Right. Right man ko sa una. Elementary. Ano sa makarong na katulong na bulok. So, yeah. Yan ako ni Mr. Gihangak ko.
Gihapon. Libot. Gawin kayo yan lang ang store sa babay.
So on our way to the Asian store, nakalabay mi og Hyatt, which is a Hyatt house in Frisco, if I'm not mistaken. Wala lang kiligon ko, mamiss na ako ang work. Anyway, naanami sa Asian store, which is the 99 Ranch Market. But unfortunately, 1% na lang jud gud diha. So anytime soon, malobat na gud siya. So obviously, di na ko ka-video inside. So maghimo na lang kog shopping haul video at home. Bye and God bless everyone!